Diamond is the hardest substance in the world, natural substance. It has in the density, specific gravity 2.4, index of refraction 3.5, and in Mohs scale it's 10. It's the top, it's the hardest substance. That's not meaning that we cannot break it. Of course we can do it very easily, so be sure and be careful when you have a piece of diamond, because we can break it very easily, but we cannot scratch it with any other substance except diamond. So only diamond, scratch diamond. Diamond is found in the nature, in the cubic, in the volcanic tube called Kimberley. A small piece of diamond are not expensive, so be careful if you want to go to Africa to buy some diamond, to not to buy less than 10 carats or 2 grams. 1 gram is 5 carats. At least you have to buy 10 carats if you want to buy a piece and win money. But if you buy a lot of pieces, then in that case you can buy 5 carats, no problem, but you win in the quantity, not only one piece. But for me it's preferable you buy one good piece than buy a lot of piece. 20 carats in Africa is costing, I'm talking about very good quality, it's one color between ADF, around $100,000 that you can sell after in Europe or in America between 400-500 carats in a rough, 400 or 500,000 of course. If you are a little bit patient, I will show you everything. Boxes that I use in my study of gemology that you can study also. My material that I use to recognize real and fake sapphire, real and fake emerald, real and fake ruby, real and fake diamond, and in general to recognize gemstones, that's natural or synthetic. So let's start first. As you see here, I have some boxes and I have beside me all material that I use. So let's start first with the materials. This material is called refractometer. I use the refractometer to recognize the index of refraction, the index of refraction of the stone. But I can only use this material to distinguish polished stones. I cannot use it, unfortunately, I cannot use it for the rough stones. When you have a piece of diamond or gemstone that you want to recognize, you have to start first by using the diamond selector or gem tester, and there is a difference a lot of people don't know. So let me show you and explain you the difference. This material is called gem selector. We have a lot of quality. I have this quality and this quality. This one is Presidium Gem Tester. This is my best one. This is the one I use. This is the one I recommend you to use. This one is around 10 euro or $10. This one is 300, between 300 and 500. It's depending from where and how you buy it, if there's transportation or customers or not. So this bout, I use it to recognize the diamond, only diamond, because a lot of people testing all gemstones with this material. When I have another kind of gemstone that is not a diamond that I want to recognize, then in that case I use this material. This material is called gem tester, and it can help you to recognize a lot of kinds that you can see in the screen: glance, garnet, tourmaline, tanzanite, chrysoprase, quartz, amethyst, citrine, emerald, topaz, ruby, sapphire, jaded, spinel. The most important is that it's useful for ruby, sapphire and emerald. So this material for gemstones, all gemstones, most of them, this material is only for diamond. This one is fiable, this one is not. Okay? This material, I use it to recognize the hardness of gemstone. I have a lot of pen. Each pen have a number: 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one, it contains 5, from 5 to 9. There's another one, it's containing 10 pen. For example, if I have this 8, is this scratch stone, reed stone, then it's not ruby, because it's only 8, ruby is 9, and so on. You compare the number of the pin and the stone scratched, so then you can know the hardness of the stone. This material is called spectrometer. It's helping you to analyzing, see and analyze the light reflected from the stone, and to know the spectrum of observation. The spectrum observed. Then you can judge if the stone is emerald or ruby or spinel or so and so. This is the loop or the magnificent. It's